Hey YouTube, this is Vicky and you're watching manofphysique. So today's video is about how to make a magical homemade mass gainer without any whey protein.
If you're seeing my face for the first time, so go ahead and press subscribe button and press bell button so that you don't miss a notification of my upcoming videos.
Most of people are asking that how to gain muscles. Like they say, like even though they are eating more foods but they are not gaining muscle. So this video is especially for those who are hard gainers. It is 100% guaranteed that you will gain muscle and weight within 10 days if you drink this magical homemade mass gainer. Try this special homemade mass gainer to get physique like John Abraham and Tiger Shroff. Everyone knows that if we eat more calories, more food or calorie surplus, we can get easily bulk up. This logic everyone knows. But what the main thing is, we can't eat more food due to low appetite. If you add this special homemade mass gainer into your diet, you will get a mega boost of 1000 calories into a diet that will make you to get more muscle and bulk up easily. This special homemade mass gainer is packed with full of macro and micronutrients. So let's go to the kitchen and make the special homemade mass gainer that you were eagerly waiting for it. This is our magic homemade mass gainer. The nutrition value is shown on the screen. It is very easy to prepare and tasty mass gainer. You can add this in breakfast or snack time to get a better result. This is not just a words. It will give you 100% result if you try this for 10 days. With that, we go to the end of the video. Like, subscribe and turn on the notification by hitting the bell icon to stay tuned with me. Thanks a lot for watching. Till the next time, this week you have been watching manofphysique and I am signing off for now. Have a great day. Peace guys.